Why do you keep a bird in a cage as a pet?
Well, it's a reminder. The wings tells you that you could fly to any extent. It signifies freedom.
It's ironic though. The bird is in a cage.
We don't always get what we want, right? It has to be there, so I keep having my reminder. That's life.
So that's how the guy now said, you know, like, isn't it supposed to be the same? He paid you more on top of my money. There was no way that was going to happen. Yeah.
I'm telling you. And then he doesn't get that.
Yeah, I think there's someone at the door.
Yeah, let me check.